The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning, everybody. On this Monday morning, it is the 15th day of August. We are already halfway through this month. How did that happen? Wow. My name is Rich. My trusty dog Bailey is about 6 feet that way. And, last week the big story was that tropical weather system that affected us, but it affected Northwest Florida more. They had a foot of rain in Northwest Florida. I had 3 inches from it. I don't know how much you had at your house, but, our friends over in Louisiana, as you know, had up to 3 feet of rain. That system is still alive this morning, moving up the middle Mississippi Valley. But this week, our weather story is very different as we are getting back into summer heat again. And another one of those upper heat wave bubble highs, if you will, begins to build over us. Now, here's a little fun game on this video today. Count how many times I say triple-digit heat indices. This will be fun. That's time number 1.
There's some showers here in the overnight hours in Georgia and off the Gulf Coast. Kind of quiet in Alabama right now. There's that low in Arkansas tracking off to the northeast, now associated with a frontal system, the one that brought the drenching rains to our part of the world and into the Florida Panhandle, then the flooding historic rains in Louisiana that killed 4. Now it's up to north of St. Louis later on today. A tropical-looking feature. For us, fairly routine on the radar today. There'll be scattered showers and thunderstorms around, highs in the low to mid-90s. I don't see anything that pops right out that looks unusual. It looks like a pretty routine summer day, with the high temperature again around 93, and the heat index should be up to about 100. Tonight's low 74. Nice little southeasterly breeze at 10 to 15 miles per hour this afternoon. Then the big heat bubble continues to build as we go through tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday. And I think temperatures, the heat index will certainly be above 100 each day this week. Tomorrow, scattered afternoon storms. I think the rain coverage is about 30% tomorrow and about 30% on Wednesday. Wednesday's high and Thursday's high, or rather Tuesday and Wednesday, 94. On Thursday, the rain chance is up to about 50% in the afternoon and evening hours, but we're still above 100 on the heat index. Same thing on Friday, a 50-50 chance of more showers and storms. National Hurricane Center is following this new Invest 98L out here in the far eastern Atlantic. That's about as far eastern Atlantic as you can get, just off the coast of Africa. 20% chance of development over the next few days. On this wide satellite view, you can just see the edge of 98L peeking into the picture there from the GOES satellite view, and some more thunderstorms starting to develop near the center, so we'll continue to watch this over the next several days. As far as the work week goes, again, 94 tomorrow and Wednesday, 93 on Thursday. Rain chances spike at 50% Thursday and Friday. Otherwise, a pretty routine week, a pretty hot week, and triple-digit heat indices each day. Now, as we look at the European out 10 days, what we notice is showers and thunderstorm chances peaking, starting to spike again Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that will bring the temperatures hopefully down just a few degrees over the weekend, not much. I mean, we're talking about temperatures which peak certainly in the midweek period and then start to maybe decline a little bit toward the end of the week and into the weekend as thunderstorms start to pick up in number. That's the European numbers. The GFS numbers are obviously higher, but the same trend. Temperatures peak by about Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then start to come down as the chances of rain increase. And look at the next 16 days. No sign of any relief. More heat ahead for much of the rest of the month of August, and that'll take us into the end of the month. So, we're back in the 90s. I think there'll be some triple-digit heat indices around this week for good measure with some random storms. What is new? Here we are thinking about fall and thinking about football, and the summer pattern rolls on and on with no signs of any relief. Hey, I'll be live this morning with a regular update from the Blue Water Weather Center at 11 o'clock at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. Latest radar trends, the future radar, a look at the week ahead, and all the new model data that comes in. Live on the radio this morning, 6 to 9, with Greg and Jay and the whole gang at NewsTalk 93.1 on BAMA Country. My forecast all day long on the 8 radio station group, which is Blue Water Broadcasting. Another video for you tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Have a great day today, and I'll see you in the morning.
Rich Thomas Weather.